Currently, Instagram is high on this trend called photo dump. Let me introduce you to a concept called emotion dump. Now, this is what high maintenance people do. They express everything without filter. They want to express spontaneously. They want your time and attention irrespective of what is your condition. They are defensive, they are sad, and it is like, hi main bechara. Hi main bechari. The victim mindset. All they understand is that wrong has been done to them. They do not want to see the other perspective. They do not want the solution. All they want to do is ruminate and speak constantly that they are in pain. Be consciously aware of such habit, and if you do not listen to high maintenance relationship people the way they want to,